President Donald Trump's formal acceptance speech is scheduled for Thursday night right here at the White House, but he is not waiting until then to speak out. He has campaign events scheduled every day this week, beginning with today's stop in North Carolina. White House correspondent Owen Jensen continues our team coverage.
Tracy, today is just the start of a very busy week for President Trump. By week's end, he hopes to convince enough voters to give him 4 more years in office.
71 days to go until November 3rd, and President Donald Trump is on the go. Today, he paid a surprise visit to the RNC in Charlotte, North Carolina.
We're getting ready to do things like nobody's ever seen before, but the best way to bring unity is success. Success brings unity.
And the Trump-Pence ticket is ready to go.
This is a historic moment as we make official the nomination of Donald Trump and Mike Pence as our nominees for President and Vice President of the United States.
The president plans to outline an optimistic vision for America. The stock market has been on a tear. He gets his highest marks on his handling of the economy. And the White House Opportunity Zones to revitalize blighted areas are relying on faith leaders to turn around rundown communities.
A lot of these various stakeholders are inside of their congregations or inside of their church, and faith leaders have the heartbeat of what's going on in the community. They understand the pain, both from a family standpoint, from a business standpoint, from a community standpoint.
Also, the Trump campaign released its second-term agenda. It's called Fighting for You. Among the goals are create 10 million jobs in 10 months, drain the swamp, beat the virus, and defend police. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.